Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this trending logo on Illustrator. So select the ellipse tool here and we're just going to create a circle. And then we are going to just place it kind of in the middle. We're also going to make it a little bit smaller. Copy and paste that, and we're going to make the circle a little bit bigger than the first one, and we're going to place it here. Copy and paste that, and we're going to place that there. Let's just group them. Whoops. Cancel. Let's just group them first. Then copy and paste that, and we're going to rotate it this way. And we're going to copy and paste that, and we're going to rotate it that way. Copy and paste that. We're going to rotate it that way until you're left with this. Let's just ungroup everything. Select all, then select the shape builder tool. Okay, and then we're going to do that, and we're going to basically just, select the parts of this that you want to create a logo with. I'm just going to select these, then I'll select this, then I'll select this one, and I'll select this. You can create the logo how you want it to be. And once you're done, you can just delete the rest of it. And now you have this logo. Make sure you fill in everything. I didn't really do a good job of filling it all, but that's pretty much it. Really super simple. Let me just zoom in and fill these in a bit more. Oops. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.